Electronic loads, N3300 series, wired in parallel. Lots of customers will wire their electronic loads using heavy gauge wires. Another alternative to that is using bus bars, as you can see in this example.
The full rack mainframe, N3300A, can hold up to 6 300-watt modules or 3 600-watt modules.
And it'll allow you to move the modules around quickly without having to take the wires out of the connectors. The standard model has plastic connectors, but these is our UJ1 option, where, as you can see, bolts are connected through to the module, and with that allows you to do a quick connection. To do the quick connection, you need to cover those bolts, because they're 60 volts is the limit that we don't allow customers to put their fingers on, because we view that as possibly a hazardous voltage. And these instruments go all the way up to, we design all the way up to, I think, 240 volt load. So it's really necessary to, once these are put in place and once you use these type of bars, insulate. As you can see, in this case, there are little insulators that have covered the hole, so if you move a module from one place to another, you can connect to it. However, if the cover were on and this were left open, somebody could go like this and he could get a tingle, and we wouldn't really want to have that happen. So that's the reasons for having the insulator around the bars, and that's the reason why the covers are over the bars. From a side view, you can see that the cover has been modified such that there is a piece here, so you can't put your fingers there either. That's real important. The beauty of the bus bars, in this case, are for ease of getting the modules out, for noise, which happens often, and the leads, when you hardwire them using heavy gauge wires, need to be twisted for common mode noise, and in this case it allows you to have better connection and better common mode noise in your system, and it also makes a much neater job in your development. The bars, as you see them, are not available as an option. However, if there's enough people or if there's enough interest, we may be able to work something out, either providing dimensions, or maybe even come up with a kit in the future. One more thing I should mention, as you notice at the end where the connections could be to either another load bank or to your DUT. Well, once you connect to these two connections as shown, the cover should be insulated as well. So I hope this video helps in the future. I hope it's useful to you, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact